a drainage area.
The Mutianyu section of the Great Wall is the only one where you can take a toboggan slide down, which, in my opinion, makes it the best section.
来，你们的操作都明白吗？
都明白。
向前推着加速，往马里拉减速刹车。左转弯身体向左歪，右转弯身体向右歪。
What is the speaker saying?
Just safety things. It's a dangerous sport. Take it seriously with your kids.
Okay. Oh my! You gotta lean forward a little bit. Oh my!
This ride can be 5 to 10 minutes long, depending on how slow or how fast you go. And boy, did we want to go fast here. To my left, you can see the open air chairlifts. There are 3 ways to get up to the Great Wall. 1, you hike up. 2, you take a cable car. And 3, you take an open air chairlift. Which one would you choose?
Climbing the Great Wall, and it was epic because we got to slide down a slide going down, and it was like super fast, mega fast. I totally recommend it if you have the chance to come to Mutianyu. All right, well, bye Great Wall.
We took my mom to a mushroom hotpot place where all of the mushrooms are next day airshipped from either Yunnan or Sichuan. In our soup, you can see a black chicken, and also he's dumping in all the mushrooms. Some of these mushrooms I had never seen before in my entire life. They're very unique and very tasty. Their baozi is also phenomenal.
Baozi is good, but if you have a good sauce, it takes your baozi to the next level, and this sauce is next level.
This place uses real mushroom soup stock, not just water, to fill your soup when it's low.
拿了点酱，拿了点包子，赶紧回家啦。
You take the coconut and the mango.
Not too sweet, but just sweet enough.
We were in for a treat because my mother-in-law cooked so many fabulous Chinese dishes for us. Oh, my mouth is watering even looking at it now. My mom was blown away by Chinese tea eggs. Have you ever tried a Chinese tea egg before? They are addictive.
Yeah, I like the blue though.
We went to TianTan, or Temple of Heaven, and Kevin, my mom, took his motorcycle and left me in the dust. Just kidding, I took a DD and met them there.
Okay, let's lock. Let's go. So Brittany's waiting for us at the main gate, I think.
全价票1人。全价票1人。
Person. Yeah, that's history, okay? 500 years at least.
In the past, the emperor would come here to pray for good weather and abundant harvests. Got my mom and the husband. It's a beautiful day. If you came to Beijing, would you like to go to TianTan? Let me know in the comments. This is a must-visit place in my opinion.
Another first for my mom. was Peking duck or Beijing duck.
可以做吗？
二楼也可以，接下去就可以了。
After you order, you can watch someone artistically cut up a duck for you. The duck is eaten in a pancake with veggies and sauce.
Okay, I get it.
Oh, the price is pretty good for these too. $128. It's not bad. Yeah.
Here we go. Cool.
The next day, my mom ate and drank the best of the best that China has to offer.
Truffle?
This is Mao Tai, which is super expensive liquor.
般都是 cheers 啊，对 cheers， 我们要说干杯，干杯
Cheers.
干杯，尝一尝，尝一尝。 喝得了吗？
This soup is called Buddha Jumps Over the Wall, and it has delicacies from the sea, including sea cucumber.
This is my mom's first impression of Sanlitun. She loves it. We're gonna go to Soul Goods, walk around, maybe go to grab a drink or get some ice cream and just soak in everything. Yeah. When I first came to Sanlitun, I was just blown away. I thought this place was the coolest. I was like, I want to come here all the time. And guess what? I still do.
The Larry.
Getting my ice cream from Japan.
Right. Got the new screen. Got the new Apple Store.
Oh, that's a fancy Apple store.
Ralph Lauren Cafe and my baby.